In the heart of Paris, on the Ile de la Cité, stands Notre Dame Cathedral. It is a majestic symbol of faith, history, and French identity. For centuries, its iconic silhouette has graced the Parisian skyline. Its presence is a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and spirit. Notre Dame has witnessed the ebb and flow of history, standing as a silent observer to the triumphs and tragedies of Paris. Notre Dame's story is deeply intertwined with the story of Paris itself. The cathedral's presence has shaped the city's identity, and its history is a microcosm of the city's own journey through time. To understand Notre Dame is to understand the soul of Paris. From its early days as a humble church, Notre Dame evolved into a grand cathedral. It became a symbol of power and prestige for both the church and the French monarchy. Its towering spires and intricate facade served as a beacon of faith and artistry. Throughout its long history, Notre Dame has been more than just a religious building. It has served as a gathering place, a sanctuary, and a symbol of French national identity. Its walls have echoed with the prayers of millions and witnessed countless historical events that have shaped the course of France and the world. The construction of Notre Dame began in 1163, under the reign of King Louis VII. It was a massive undertaking, a testament to the ambition and skill of its medieval builders. The project spanned over 2 centuries, with different architects and craftsmen leaving their mark on the evolving structure. Notre Dame's architecture is a stunning example of the Gothic style. Soaring arches, intricate carvings, and the innovative use of flying buttresses characterize this style. These features not only added to the cathedral's aesthetic appeal, but also allowed for the construction of taller, more spacious buildings with magnificent stained glass windows. One of the most captivating features of Notre Dame is its stained glass windows, particularly the magnificent rose windows. These intricate works of art, each telling a biblical story, bathe the cathedral's interior in a kaleidoscope of colors, creating an ethereal atmosphere. The cathedral's design, with its emphasis on height and light, reflects the medieval theological view of heavenward aspiration and divine illumination. The architects and craftsmen of Notre Dame created a space that was not only beautiful but also deeply symbolic, drawing the viewer's gaze upward toward the heavens. The 18th century brought a period of decline for Notre Dame. The French Revolution in particular had a profound impact on the cathedral's fate. The revolutionaries, in their zeal to eradicate symbols of the monarchy and the church, ransacked Notre Dame, destroying statues and damaging its interior. The cathedral, once a symbol of religious and royal power, became a symbol of the old order that the revolution sought to overthrow. It was during this turbulent time that the cathedral's spire, a prominent feature of the Parisian skyline, was dismantled. The French Revolution left Notre Dame in a state of disrepair and neglect. Its treasures were plundered, its structure damaged, and its religious significance diminished. The once grand cathedral stood as a shadow of its former glory, a reminder of the tumultuous events that had shaken France to its core. For many years Notre Dame languished, its future uncertain. The once vibrant center of religious life in Paris became a neglected relic, its beauty obscured by the passage of time and the ravages of revolution. However, even in its dilapidated state, Notre Dame continued to captivate the imagination, inspiring artists and writers to capture its haunting beauty. Section 4. A Story of Resurrection. In the 19th century, Notre Dame experienced a revival thanks in part to the literary genius of Victor Hugo. His novel, published in 1831, brought the cathedral back into the public consciousness. Hugo's vivid descriptions of the cathedral's architectural splendor and its tragic fate resonated with readers, sparking a renewed interest in its preservation. Hugo's novel achieved more than just literary success. It ignited a movement to save Notre Dame. The book's popularity spurred a national campaign for the cathedral's restoration. People from all walks of life were moved by Hugo's story and felt a sense of responsibility to restore the cathedral to its former glory. The restoration project, led by architect Eugène Viollet-le-Duc, was one of the most ambitious architectural undertakings of the 19th century. Viollet-le-Duc approached the task with a deep respect for the cathedral's history while also employing modern techniques and interpretations. The restoration of Notre Dame was not without its critics. Some argued that Viollet-le-Duc's additions, such as the spire, were not historically accurate. However, the restoration project succeeded in saving the cathedral from further deterioration and helped to solidify its status as a national icon. Section 5. A testament to time. Throughout its long history, Notre Dame has borne witness to countless historical events. It has seen coronations and revolutions, wars and celebrations. Its walls have echoed with the voices of kings and queens, revolutionaries and ordinary citizens. In 1431, Henry VI of England was crowned King of France inside Notre Dame, a testament to the cathedral's political and religious significance in medieval Europe. The coronation was a grand affair, attended by nobles and dignitaries from across the continent, solidifying the cathedral's place in European history. Centuries later, Napoleon Bonaparte chose Notre Dame as the setting for his own coronation as Emperor of France in 1804. In a ceremony designed to legitimize his rule and evoke the grandeur of past empires, Napoleon crowned himself, symbolizing his self-made rise to power. Notre Dame also witnessed the horrors of war. During the Franco-Prussian War of 1870 to 1871, the cathedral was spared from destruction but served as a military hospital, its hallowed halls transformed into wards for the wounded. The experience left an indelible mark on the cathedral, a reminder of the human cost of conflict. Section 6. Trial by Fire. On April 15, 2019, the world watched in horror as a fire engulfed Notre Dame. The blaze, which started in the cathedral's attic, quickly spread, fueled by centuries-old timber beams. Flames soared into the night sky, threatening to destroy the iconic spire and bring down the entire structure. Firefighters battled the inferno for hours, working tirelessly to contain the blaze and save as much of the cathedral as possible. The world watched with bated breath, united in grief and concern for the fate of this beloved landmark. The fire caused significant damage to Notre Dame, destroying the roof, spire, and parts of the vaulted ceiling. However, thanks to the heroic efforts of the firefighters and the cathedral's sturdy construction, much of the structure, including the two iconic towers, was saved. The fire, while devastating, sparked an unprecedented wave of global support for Notre Dame. Donations poured in from around the world, a testament to the cathedral's status as a symbol of shared cultural heritage. The outpouring of support transcended borders, religions, and ideologies, uniting people in a common desire to rebuild this iconic monument. Section 7. An enduring symbol. Notre Dame de Paris is more than just a building. It is a symbol of resilience, a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. It has withstood the test of time, enduring fires, revolutions, and the wear and tear of centuries. The 2019 fire, while tragic, has served as a catalyst for renewal. The global response to the disaster highlighted the cathedral's significance as a symbol of unity and hope. The rebuilding efforts already underway represent an opportunity to restore Notre Dame to its former glory and to ensure its legacy for generations to come. The story of Notre Dame is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, hope endures. The cathedral's enduring presence on the Ile de la Cité serves as a beacon of resilience, reminding us that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome with determination, skill, and a shared sense of purpose. As Notre Dame undergoes its latest transformation, it continues to inspire awe and wonder. Its story is a testament to the power of human creativity, the importance of preserving our shared cultural heritage, and the enduring allure of this magnificent cathedral on the Seine.